Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out the SecuriLock by Legend on our Ford Transit. Now, the SecuriLock is a fantastic lock made of hardened steel, keeps your cargo protected at all times. The model that we have right now is called the Dead and Slam Lock, which basically means you can keep it unlocked in case you're going in and out of your vehicle all day long and you're not worried about the contents of it being messed with while you're going in and out during your workday. After you're done for the evening, you can insert your key and put it in the locking mode. And now it is locked and unable to be opened up. This also is available in a slam lock only model, which means every time you shut your door, the door will be locked. You will have to get your key out every single time to open the door, which offers a little bit more peace of mind for fleet managers wondering if their guys remember to lock their van up at night. Now, let's say you accidentally lock yourself in. The great thing about these locks is they also have the emergency button. You can just pull this out, it'll unlock this, and you're able to exit your vehicle without being locked and trapped inside. The SecuriLock is available in 1, 2, 3, or 4 lock kits to keep your vehicle locked and safe. You can find more security products like this for your cargo van at upfitsupply.com.